Okay, Keith, I'm going to ask you about preferences.
Okay.
Which do you prefer, dogs or cats?
Dogs.
Because?
Well, because they're actually friendly animals. Cats are kind of aloof.
Okay. Which do you prefer, summer or winter?
Oh, summer, definitely.
Yeah, why?
Well, because winter in Tokyo is kind of dry and cloudy. It's not much fun.
Okay. Are you a morning person or a night person?
Night person, all the way.
Okay. Are you moody in the mornings?
No, usually I'm asleep in the mornings.
Okay. And which do you prefer, Japanese food or Western food?
Well, in Japan, Japanese food.
Okay.
Because the sushi here is great.
All right. Thanks, Keith.
Oh, you're welcome.
Hey, Keith. I heard you just got married.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. So how long ago did you get married?
Oh, I got married last November.
Really? Well, congratulations.
Oh, thanks a lot.
So what's married life like?
Oh, it's great. I love married life.
How is being married different than being a bachelor?
You get less dates.
That's for sure. That's for sure. So at home, do you share with like the cooking and cleaning and stuff like that?
Oh, yeah, sure. That's the only way to do it, really.
Yeah. Do you cook for your wife?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. What do you cook for?
Well, it depends on what she wants. But usually I do the easy stuff like pastas and salads and that kind of stuff.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Okay. Thanks a lot, Keith.
You're welcome.
Hello, Keith.
Hey, Todd.
Hey, Keith. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food? Well, in Japan, it's probably sushi.
Okay. How often do you have sushi?
Wow. Probably at least 2 times a week.
Okay. What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink? Well, Coca-Cola, usually.
Okay. Do you have Coke every day?
No, because, if I drink too much, I gain weight.
Oh, yeah. I got the same problem. How about desserts? What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert? My favorite dessert is probably, I don't know, tiramisu.
Tiramisu?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Okay. Great. All right. Thanks a lot, Keith.
Oh, you're welcome.
Ebony, we were looking at the internet and we saw that the U.S. is going to try to put people on the moon again in a few years. What do you think about that?
Okay, about people on the moon, I think it's really cool if I want to say it as a natural reaction. But I know they've tried it before. I think it would just be maybe a good idea economically, but then again, not.
Sure.
I mean, because first of all, how are we financially in the U.S.? What are they doing? I think they're trying to pick up spirits or distract right now from all the other underlying issues.
Yeah.
Honestly, when I heard that, I was like, is this some kind of propaganda? Some kind of billboard distraction, in my opinion. It's an awesome idea, though, if you really think behind it. But I don't know if that's what we should be looking at right now.
Sure. So do you think it's a waste of money, or do you think it helps science and it helps?
I think eventually it's a great thing, and it does help. And I think it's a wonderful thing to be paying attention to. But I don't know whether it's the right moment for it. But either way, they're doing it. So I think it'd be really neat. I mean, I've always wanted to say to my, everyone, one day on my kids, oh guys, let's go to vacation on the moon. I feel like going out to the sweet hotel, and let's go look at the stars, a few meteors passing by. Wouldn't that be neat to say that and really be able to do it one day?
Oh my gosh, it must be really, really beautiful on the moon. Well, I see you were very young. You're, I think, 20 years old?
Yes.
So, do you think that that's going to be possible? That when you're,
I do.
Really?
Since I was 10.
Yeah.
Since I was 10 years old, my father would always say to me, I've seen, he's about 62 right now. And so he said, I've seen everybody go from cars to everything and all the advances in technology so fast. And he says, I can't imagine when you're my age what it's going to be like for you at the rate technology is advancing.
Yeah.
So I thought, wow, that's really cool. I'll be able to do that. And I always did. I always thought. And so I'm, in a way, too, I'm saying, well, what took you so long, guys?
Yeah. Wow, that's amazing. So you actually could be going for vacation to the moon in 40 years.
Wouldn't that not be cool?
Yeah.
Just sit there.
Or Mars.
Mars, yeah.
A lot of rocks.
A red planet. I don't know about Mars. I think the moon sounds kind of cooler, not as far.
Yeah.
Depends on what they do with travel.
Yeah, you definitely would need a round trip ticket. Okay, thanks a lot, Ebony.
You're welcome.
Oh, sorry, we're not on there.
No, we're on. It's okay. We'll go ahead and start now. We're going to talk about your hobby. What is your hobby?
I suppose it's scuba diving.
Oh, nice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, tell us about scuba diving.
Well, I haven't been for a while because I've been living in Japan. It's expensive to do it here. But when I was in Thailand, I went scuba diving quite a lot. Did the PADI certificate. I just love it. Did quite a lot of scuba diving in both the Gulf of Thailand and the Indian Ocean. And saw whale sharks and leopard sharks and all sorts of things.
Wow. How do they compare to the Indian Ocean and the Gulf of Thailand?
Well, the Gulf of Thailand is quite polluted. There's a lot of shipping that comes up from Singapore to Bangkok, whereas the Indian Ocean, it's called the Andaman Sea, but it's part of the Indian Ocean, is a lot cleaner, but it can be affected by monsoons.
Okay, great. Thanks, man.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you today?
Not bad, not bad.
Okay. What is your name?
My name is Simon Benz.
Simone. How do you spell your name?
Simon.
Okay, nice name. Simone, where are you from?
I'm from Vancouver, Canada.
Okay. What kind of place is Vancouver?
It's a nice place. It's got mountains, beaches, and lots of Japanese students.
Really? Okay. Why does it have so many Japanese students?
Because they study English there.
Okay. Is it cheap to study English in Canada?
I think it's cheaper to study English in Vancouver than the United States or England.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think about Vancouver?
I love it.
Uh-huh.
You can go skiing or snowboarding in the winter. You can go windsurfing and hang out at the beach in the summer.
Nice.
It's just a good place to live.
What is your favorite thing to do in Vancouver?
I like to hang out with my friends and play soccer.
Cool. Nice. All right, thanks. Trevor, do you have a dog?
Yeah, I do have a dog.
What kind of dog?
My dog's a boxer.
A boxer? What does a boxer look like?
Boxer is a medium size. She's got short hair and a very short, stubby nose and no tail.
No tail. Nice. Which do you prefer, dogs or cats?
I'm a dog person. I like dogs.
Okay, why?
Well, dogs are a man's best friend and they're always loyal.
Okay. What do you mean loyal? What does loyalty mean?
They'll stay with you even through the hard times.
Okay. Which breed or kind of dog do you like besides boxers?
I like Labradors and I like small terriers.
Small terriers?
Yeah, small terriers. Jack Russell Terrier.
What color is a terrier?
Black and white.
Black and white? Alright. What are some costs associated with keeping a dog?
Pretty cheap really. You got some vet costs if they get sick and they've got to have needles, but food, that's about it really.
Okay. Great. Alright, thanks a lot, Trevor. See you.
Hello.
Okay, hello.
Hello.
Hi, what is your name?
My name's Nicola.
Okay, Nicola. Where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
Australia, great. And where are you from in Australia?
I'm from a state called Queensland.
Okay, what is Queensland like?
It's pretty hot. There's a lot of beaches and a lot of rainforest.
Oh, rainforest, really?
Yeah.
Do you go in the rainforest often?
Occasionally my friends and I go hiking there, but not that often.
Okay, are there really big snakes?
I haven't seen any yet.
Okay, that's good. That's good. How do you feel about Australia?
It's a beautiful place to live. I like travelling, so I like seeing other countries, but when I go home I'm always happy to be there.
Okay, yeah, that's nice. I kind of feel the same way about America. How would you compare Australia and Japan?
Oh, they're very different. Japanese people are quite busy. Australians are pretty laid back.
Okay. Okay, actually we're about out of time, so anyway, thanks.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Stephen, what do you want to talk about?
Hiking.
Hiking. Okay.
Yeah.
Are you a big mountain man?
Yeah. I really love getting out into the mountains.
What mountains have you climbed?
Well, recently I climbed Mount Fuji.
Wow. How long did it take you to get to the top?
Well, I actually climbed Mount Fuji on 4 different occasions.
Wow, really?
Yeah. So it was different times each trek.
Okay. Did you go in summer or in spring?
No, actually, the first time I went in to climb Fuji was in the winter.
Wow.
Yeah.
Man, that must have been cold.
Yeah, well, it wasn't too bad. I mean, we had warm clothes and, you know, we were constantly walking, so our body temperature was quite high.
Didn't you slip on the ice? Wasn't the ice really slippery?
Well, we had crampons and ice axes with us.
Really? I'm sure you had crampons?
Yeah, they're like spikes that go on your feet, yeah? Basically ice shoes, yeah?
Oh, wow.
So you can actually walk on the ice in these shoes without slipping, no problem.
Really?
Yeah.
What was it like on the top?
Well, on that particular occasion we didn't get to the top because it was too late in the day. We would have arrived at the top just as the sun was setting, and it would have been very dangerous, I think, coming back down. So.
Oh, because it would have been dark.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, well, really impressive.
Yeah, I really loved it.